You guys following from the material? So what we are explaining from here, there, you can comparing or not? Yeah, so we can start quick. So able to see, right, my screen?
Yes.
Yeah, last week what we discussed? Last week, yesterday we connected, right? So like you guys good from the correlation, so like pre-processor assertions. Yes or no? So you are able to see, right? So now we want to do from the execution. Okay. So if you want to do from the execution means, so what we can do means you can give from the specify the duration of the duration. For example, we can do from the 1 minute like 60 seconds. Okay. When we select from the for this only, it will execute from the until 60 minutes. Okay, 60 seconds means 1 minute. Okay, otherwise we'll give from the at least 2 seconds. And this is the like number of threads, nothing but users. And this is the ramp up period. So see in 10 seconds, 10 users will be ramp up. For like load runner controller, right? We are designing from that is different. So every two users will be 2 seconds we are giving. Same way you need to give from the here also. 10 users in the 10 seconds you need to complete from the okay this. So same to duration we need to give. And after that, so these we are already added. So these are will be view results. Results point of view we are added these all things. Okay. For now, where like you are doing from the fresh execution, already you have results. We need to clear from the everything means we need to click from the clear all. Then it will be clear from the all the results. Okay. Now what we can do means okay, we'll start our execution. We'll see the okay, we can see the output. View results tree. Okay, so everything is clear. Now I am starting to start here. See here you can observe. So one user 1 second, two user 2 seconds, three users means ramp up is the users is going like this, 7 users, 10 users. Okay, this is the test duration. So how much duration you are given, all users will be executing from the like this. Okay, you want to see from the report. So we can observe here also we can observe. So launch is the this many times it is happening and debugging sampler will be no need. Only we need from the transaction details. Okay, when we are doing from the execution, debug sampler will be no need because only debug sampler we need from the like when we want to like see the our what are the things we did right. We want to see means we need to use for that. Okay, so and you can observe here test duration. It is a nearby 1 minute is completed. So we are given from the, so this is the like one kind of load K test. But here we can see here through this thread group, we can't do from the like spike stress testing. So soak also we can do because number of users you can give, number of users and duration you can give from the long duration, like how many hours you want, you can give there. But spike and stress testing we can't do from the using from this thread group. So that is the why we need to add from the some plugin manager from the JMeter plugin manager. See, is test is still executing. So once this completed, we'll see the plugin manager. See, not only for this, we want to from the anything means like you want to from the add from the results. If you want from the like any plugin manager means we need to add the plugin managers in our JMeter. Through plugin manager, we can do from the like what are the things we want, we can add it. Okay, see 2 minutes completed total. So our execution is completed. If you want to see report, see this is the report. Average response time this means everything will be, see you can observe average should be within our SLA. Okay, and aggregate report also it will show for same, but we'll get from the 95, 99, 99 percentage also we can see. There is no errors. So like this we can do from the, if it is a load test or anything. But we want to do from the spike, this kind of things means using the thread group we can't do. We need to add from the plugin manager. So this is the JMeter plugin manager. In your system, you need from the this JMeter plugin manager means we need to download the plugin manager. Go to the Google and you can just type from the JMeter plugin. See plugin manager and go to the JMeter plugin manager and you can see here. So in the options also we can see the JMeter plugin manager. Okay, so we'll get from the like this window. Like once you can install your plugin manager, what are the installation will be there, available plugins, and we can see this. I will show that also. Okay, no worry. And download. See, if we click from the JMeter installation, see jar file. So if you click this, that our jar file will be open. So if you click this, see it is downloaded. You can see here. See JMeter plugin manager. So this JMeter plugin manager, no need to installation we can do. So go to the JMeter folder. In that we have the lib will be there. In that lib we have the ext also will be there directory. So for example, if you go from the JMeter, okay, first will be can go to the lib. In that ext. For here, you need to keep that jar file as a like plugin manager. You can observe already I keep this JMeter plugin manager in my folder. So if you want also, then we need to put from the JMeter plugin from the here in that JMeter in that lib ext. So just your understanding point of view, I am giving from the chart window. Okay, maybe it will be useful for you. Okay. So after you did, right, if you go here, you click from the here also in that options. Once you can add from there only, we can see the plugin manager here. Okay. And if you click this, so it will open from the plugin manager. So these all will be installation already I did. So you can observe what are things I did. You can observe some Kafka, some what are we need I added. But if you want available plugins, so these all will be available plugins. So what you want, you can just select this. Okay, for example, mm, See here you can observe graphs generator listener. Listener nothing but you want to results point of view for you need for this. You need to install for this also. Okay. So if we click from this and select this what you want, right? You can select that and apply changes and restart JMeter. What will happen means your system will be restart. And after that, we can see that as a plugin manager that. And we have the thread groups also will be there. The custom thread group. So if you add this, so in that we have the stepping thread group, ultimate thread group, concurrency thread group, arrival thread group, and so these all will be different type of thread groups. So you when you are installation done only we can see from this. So already I did right. That is why if you go here, just click from the thread group and go to the here and we can see the thread groups. Okay, not here in the test class. Thread groups. See, already I installation done. That is why stepping thread group and ultimate thread group already I added. And tear down thread group also I added. Step up also we are added. So once you can able to done here only custom thread group, you can installation done. Then you are able to see from this all in your system. Okay, here as a plugin manager. So after that, what we can do, we want to add from this, just I want stepping thread group. Just click this, it will open this. Okay. Now you need to give from the, as per your convenient, you need to give from the number of users. Okay. We can give from the number of users, 5 users. See, 5 users. And next you want to add from the how many users you want to add. And threads every 30 seconds. It is the 10 users you are adding. That is why total see and ramp down also you want means we can give. Finally stop 10 users every 10 seconds or can give from the 30 seconds. So means load test we can design from the like this. How many users you want, you can design like this. And I can disable for this. And what are the recording controller will be there, right? You can keep in the here. For example, I want from the this. Okay. What I can do, I will copy this and paste from the as a step thread. So you can observe. So recording control that is added. Okay. And you want to see the results means you can add from the add results also. We can add from the listeners. You can add from the like view results tree and what are the things we want. We can add from the so we are adding from the listeners. Listeners nothing but so results point of view. Summary report I'm adding or aggregate report. What you want, you can add. Okay. After that, we can, as per our design, you are design the scenario. See, total duration is the, it is executing from the 1 minute 32 seconds. Based on from the, you are given from the 30 seconds from the every 10 users you are given. And the time is holding for 60 seconds. That is why 1 minute 30 seconds, 32, including from the ramp up, ramp down. Otherwise, you are giving from the 1 hour, you can give from the 3600. You can observe 1 hour 32 seconds. So duration we need to mention from the here. For example, I am here giving from the only 60 seconds. Okay. And okay. So again, finally stop users also 10 users every 30 seconds. A ramp up we are given. Now it is a ramp down, all users will be automatically fall down. So now you want to execute means before that you can disable for this all. Okay. because I want to execute from this only. So then you can click this. You below view result stream, see it is executing from the your scenario. So if you can see the duration also for here, and how many users you are given, only 5 users. So 5 users will be executing from the until we are given from the 60 seconds, means 1 minute only, right? 1 minute it will execute from the our test. And you want to see the report, we can see the report also here. Okay, so stepping thread group, nothing but we want to design from the like load and stress test as per our convenient, because here is the different, right? So just we are giving from number of user threads we are giving. Here also you can do from the load test and so, but this is the good from the like we are giving from the clearly 5 users, and next you want to add from the 10 users, and time duration is the 60 seconds. Finally stop all 10 users, and finally you need to give from the okay, and threads every 30 seconds you need to down. We are given that. Okay. So this is the stepping thread group. Same to the we want to add from the one more thread group. You can see the thread groups and ultimate thread group. See for here we can do from the spike stress we can do. How means we can add this number of threads, nothing but I given from the 2 threads. Okay, and startup time. Okay, I given from the 2 threads only. Okay, and startup time 30 seconds I given. Okay, so you can give from the like hold time, nothing but total duration of the test, and again shut down from the time 10 seconds. Okay, next you want to add one more, we can add one more thing. Again every 4 users I given from the 10 seconds. So you can observe this is the ramp up duration, again ramp up, again duration. So means we can design the scenario as per our convenient, like spike means spike wise, stress means stress wise. So we need to design the scenario like this. And if you want to add one more row, you can add. Again, you can give from the, I'm adding from the increasing from the 6 users. Okay. So here also we can give 30 seconds, then everything will be equal. Okay. Hold time. If you want a hold time, we can give from the 60 seconds or 30 seconds. We can give from the duration of the test. Shut down nothing but it's a ramp down. 10 seconds will be every user will be down. So like this, we want to add from the number of users. We can design the scenario. It's a spike or stress. Only you want to do from the stress test, what we can do? No need from the ramp down. Only we can increase from the number of users, every 2 users, 4, 6 users, and 8 to 10 users, and give from the duration of the test. Okay. This is the stepping thread group, ultimate thread group. And again, same thing, you need to keep from the everything in the within the thread group, you need to add from the recording controller. What is the your script will be there? Everything will be you need to keep in here and you can execute. That is the one step. And we have one more thread group also will be there. That is the okay ultimate step is thread. Tear down thread. It's like same as our thread group only. This will be you can observe number of users and specify the duration. So this will be same like as thread group only. No need from that. Finally, we have only set up thread. Okay, only for these two is the important stepping and ultimate. Ultimate nothing but we can design from the scenario ourselves based on from the it is a spike or stress we can design. Otherwise, load also we can design here. Load test also you can design. But what we can do just we can give from the every 2 year two users only can give, and again we can give from the 2 users. See now it is a just it is a ramp up and duration ramp up. So load also we can design here based on from the like you are increasing from the load 2, 4, 6, 8. Nothing but 1x, 2x, 3x you can increase. 1x, 3x. Again you can up and down you can do. So based on from the yourself you need to practice how to we can design the scenario. So how we are design from the controller, same way you need to design from the here also. Okay, it's clear, everyone? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So now, like what will happen means in JMeter, when you are doing from the as a GUI, we can call it as a GUI for this. When you are running from the GUI execution from here, using from the here, right? What will happen means your CPU memory consumption will be very high. If you see from the task manager, while running the script, we can observe CPU memory observe like will be it is taking from the very high when you are executing from this test. So not only for this, every test, if you're running from the any kind of test, is spike or stress enemy, resource utilization will be very consuming will be very high. So that is why maximum number of companies, number of who are working as a JMeter, right? They will never prefer from the GUI kind of testing from it's the front end of here. Why? Because so the CPU memory consumption will be very high. So that is the way we can do from the two ways. Okay. One is from the GUI testing means this is the GUI testing. One is from the non-GUI testing. GUI testing, nothing but GUI testing we can do for all load, spike, stress, and so. Okay. Same way we can do from the non-GUI testing also. Non-GUI testing. Okay. We can do from the this all also we can do. Okay. So, but what is the difference means through GUI nothing but through our JMeter UI using from the this graphical user interface, we are doing from the execution through here. When you are doing from the here, your resource consumption will be very high, like CPU memory should be very high. That is why maximum who are working from the JMeter, right? They will be never okay. Yeah, like work on from this, like very minimal users, 5 users, 10 users, that's fine. But if you are executing from more than, they will prefer from the non-GUI testing. Non-GUI testing nothing but we need to execute from the through command prompt. Through command prompt. So through command prompt, how to we can do means we have the command prompt. Through command prompt also we can execute. So first you will go to the like this. See if you observe command prompt, we can see users this. but I want to go to the particular folder. Where is the my JMeter? I want to go to that folder. Means what you can do means you can give from the E colon and click this. See, you went from the E. Like where is the your JMeter? You need to go from there. Okay. My JMeter, I think is where it is E folder. I will check. I have E folder or not. Folder 5.4. Okay. So this one. Okay. So now I want to execute from the like E folder. That is why I went from the V folder. How I went E, I went from the colon, then it went from the E folder. And after that, we want to change the directory. Okay. CD nothing but change the directory. CD and you go from the your JMeter in the E, right? You go to the JMeter and just you can copy the up to JMeter. Where is the your JMeter? Up to click from the this. You can copy this. Okay. And bin in that bin we can go to the JMeter. See, this is the JMeter. So up to that we need to copy and paste from the in our GUI. Okay. CD space. After that, where is the your code Apache JMeter in bin? In that again we can go with the JMeter. Yeah. Okay. After that, you want to where is the your script? Okay. My script contain from the where. For example, for our script, okay. I think where is our script? If you go to the, I think I saved in there here. Yeah, this is my script, right? We are doing from this. Just I want from the path of this script, go to the properties. So this JMX file, where is the JMX file? We need details. So you can observe this is the our JMX. So you can copy this and put it from the here. Okay, I will share this document with also everyone. Okay, we want to give from the minus and minus t because we need to go to the our script point of view. After this minus n space minus t, and after that you can give from the your JMeter script name. Okay, everything should be you can give from the double colon from this only from our script. Okay, so after that, okay, so I need to go to the JMeter folder. After that, I am going from the my script. Where is the my script? I went from the up to from the some zero account. That is the that script name. But now I given my script name. And after that, I want to save these results because how we are seeing from the right as a okay as a summary report we are seeing here. But there we want to see the our results means we need to create from the one folder we need to create and you need to give from the like this. Okay, already I given from this. Okay, what you can do means you can copy this and here we can give from the our script name, result CS. And here also same thing I am giving from the, here also we can give from the our script name. Okay, I'm saving from the desktop for this. 1 minute. Folder name, I think, what is that? JMeter. Okay, that's fine. Okay, this is the just can give from the cell. JMeter results one. Okay, what are the things will be there? We can copy. See here, minus cell nothing but it is a indicating that you want to save the your results in CSV data set file. For minus C, minus O, nothing but we want to save the our results in the as a HTML format. We are giving from the minus C, minus O. Like hyphen E, hyphen O or minus also we can call. No worry, anything. Okay. So now two that is completed, right? We can copy this. Some valuable syntax is incorrect. Okay. Okay. Minus C and JMS minus R and CSC. Okay. Now file name, directory name or variable syntax incorrect. Okay. Folder name, this is the folder name. Yeah, up to we are, yeah, up to here we can see the file directory name or value label. Bin JMeter, okay, minus L minus T. Okay. C users test of the store. But our JMeter, where is the JMeter exactly? Okay, we are script will be 5.5, but we are given from the this different, right? We can do for this. Again, we'll change again directory. Import this. Let's go. What we can do is, I will close this. I will open our script as a 5.5 version only, right? 5.4 version we can try. And I want to save yes. Now I will open in the E folder.